get some groceries because we found out that we don't have all the ingredients for this week's cooking. So let's go. Some flour. The best thing of going grocery without HYEKYONG is that she's not here to tell me, oh, you're buying too much beer. What are you making today?
Oh, today we're going to make one Korean dish and the other one Korean Indian fusion dish.
What? Yes, nobody made this before, so stick around because it's going to be amazing.
First of all, we're going to make one of the most popular Korean dishes, Pajeon. So Pajeon literally means spring onion pancake. It is super easy to make. I can make it, so you can make it. So let's start! For Pajeon, we need this spring onion. So I'm going to start cutting this spring onion. Okay, cut off this part. And we need one onion. Now it's a mixing time, so you're gonna need your hand. So you slowly pour the water and see. You have to find the right texture. I think this is perfect now.
I think HYEKYONG should have cut a bit more the spring onion. It looks really big, isn't it?
Yeah, I think I kind of messed up, but once it's cooked, it's going to be amazing.
We'll see. We're gonna have it anyway. Yeah.
Now we're going to make dipping sauce. So we'll need a soy sauce, vinegar, chili. Sesame oil. This is important. Now the dipping sauce is ready.
Now we are super excited with this Korean Indian fusion dish. But first let's follow one of our best cooking tips, which is when you cook, always have some beer nearby. What do we have this week?
This week we have a 8-finger Eddie from Goa Brewing Company. This is IPA. It's one of my favorite. Oh, very nice.
Today I don't cook, I just drink.
Now we're going to use half cup of dal flour and half cup of whole wheat flour and mix them together with water. And warm water. You should smell this. It's amazing. Coconut chutney. So first we need to roast the peanuts. Three-fourths cups of coconut powder.
What?
Whatever.
Yeah, we love coconut, so who cares about measures, right? Yeah, but we care about cleaning it. But I think it tastes a bit too much just peanuts, no?
But when it's chilled, the taste kind of change. So we have to put it in the refrigerator for a while. We're gonna garnish it a little bit. A little bit of oil.
So finally it's time to try this Pajeon, and the other one is the Indian food based on is Uttapam, but it's mixed with Pajeon, so how should we call it? I think the Korean one is Pajeon and the Indian one is Uttapam, so I think we should call it Patapam. Yeah, I like it. Alright, that's it. I have to say that Pajeon is a common dish in Korea when it rains. I'm gonna try this first with some coconut chutney. Oh, so good. Oh wow, you're a professional.
Not bad, right?
We're already sold because it has coconut and we are coconut lovers, so anything with coconut, we love it. Even if it's spicy like this, because it's a bit spicy because of the chili flakes and the chilies, but it's really good. And then we have the Pajeon. Usually in Korea they eat with chopsticks, where in India we're gonna eat with hands. We wash them, so it's fine.
I'm gonna use
Some
chopsticks.
soy sauce.
What do you think?
I have to say it's not your best one.
The Pajeon.
Yeah, you've had better days.
Oh.
Sorry to say that on camera, but I have to be honest. You've had better ones, but it's still okay, right? You tell me.
It's good.
I'm not saying it's bad, but it's not as good as other
I
things.
think it's the
Soy sauce?
soy sauce. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. But the papatam, oh my god, it's really good.
I'm glad the Korean Indian fusion turned out very good.
And it was easy, as you saw, just a few ingredients, not too much work. The result is amazing, so try it if you are bored like us. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, click like and
Subscribe to our channel and leave some comments.
see you next time. Bye.
Bye!
Oh, by the way, if you have some suggestion or idea that you want us to try to cook, like some regional dish from your state or anything, just leave it on the comments and we might try it. We don't promise though.
Which one is better, you think?
The fusion, patapam and coconut chutney, 100%. So sorry for Pajeon, but yeah, so good. Oh man, too bad we only have this amount. We should make more.